Welcome back, Toontown Trainers, to the continuation of the 1,000-pack opening. Unfortunately, I looked up that Gengar, and no, that's not the chase card. Yeah, not as much as I thought it'd be, but oh well, still a nice card. Now, time to crack into these Surging Sparks. And as usual, how's your day going, everyone? You having a good day? I hope you are. I don't think these code cards are colored. I think they stopped doing that. I hope they stop doing that. Nice. Good start. Good start. Oh, hold on. Sorry. Let me show the camera. Alright, sorry. Give you a little look at that guy. Good start. First pack. Well, we know what we're looking for. That Pikachu. The booty Pikachu. That'd be really nice to pull one of those. Gouging Fire. Oops, right. First stack. Surge. How much have we got of this? 15, 30, 60, 90, 120. 35, another Gouging Fire. Oh, 135. About 140 packs of this. I don't know why I gave you the code card. You don't want that. You guys want that. Somebody wants that.
Hopefully.
Somebody may eventually take it. Go.
Lost in cyberspace.
Terrapagos. Soft sleeve. Oop. And if you wouldn't mind, everybody, if you could hit the like button, the subscribe button, hit the bell. Nice card. I'd appreciate it, as usual, and thank you to everyone who did. Been following with me, you've seen I've had a bit of luck today. I've been enjoying it. Struck out a couple of times on a couple of sets. That's fine. I didn't have much of those anyway. Ew, come on. But the ones that I've had plenty of, I've gotten lucky. That Lugia, that's a beautiful card. Beautiful, beautiful card. And I gotta send them all off to PSA. Serrano, nice. Supporter. Hard case, please. Yeah, I don't think they do the codes anymore. Oh, that one went in, just barely. What do we got there? What do we got there? Archaludon. Is that it? EX. That's a nice card. Special illustration rare. Thank you. Soft sleeve. Oh, what's this? Is this all the same set still? Yeah. Getting mixed up here now. I don't want to mess you guys up. Whoa, that one ripped weird. Must be fake. Resealed. Yeah, right. I trust my local games, or my local card shop. Good guys over there at Rad. Yeah. Hi to Robin there, and all the people over at Rad. Thanks for supporting my crippling addiction to Pokemon and taking all my money. Rather them have it than Walmart and whatnot. Uh-oh. Yeah. I'm sorry. I love you, Walmart. You're wonderful. Skilleridge.
The Lego section is top notch.
Their Lego section, yeah, is top notch. Yes, your Pokemon card selection though is a little lacking here in Canada. Open. Not sure why. I probably wouldn't. I don't like Walmart. Uh-oh, they're gonna come for me again.
Yeah.
Eternatus.
Zuckerberg.
Oh, nice. Bounced it in. Oh, what do we got an ace spec there. I do love the ace spec cards. I thought y'all beautiful pink. And a slack off. Nice. SIR. Both of those. Yeah, both of them. The slack off. Yeah. I'm not sure how many SIRs I'm gonna get out of this. There are three booster box or booster boxes. Well, because they don't sell surging surging sparks went really quick, and then it went really pricey, really quick. Within 2 weeks, it jumped up. Well, it started out as $199. And then I think it was like $250 jumped up to a day later or something. Luckily, I got my hands on some.
You want to at least get soft cases.
Yeah. I'll tell you if it's hard. Well, we'll do this little stack here. We'll do the little stack. Do that little stack right there. Just a little stack. Open up that little stack. Now we're gonna find a little Pikachu. Maybe just a little Pikachu. Come on. Give to me a Pikachu 3. Yeah, that's a nice card. Sweet. That will be a hard.
Hey, he's worth a bunch of money.
Huh?
He's worth a bunch of money.
Yeah, I think he is. I'm not sure how much. Not as much as the Pikachu. But I think he's worth a decent amount. That one did not want to open for me. Because it contains the Pikachu, right? Mess. I'm glad I can finally get rid of these. Ooh, nice. Very nice card. Hard case. And yeah, I gave away the code card. I've been saving onto these code cards forever because I don't even know what they're for. I know they're for the online trading card game, but I thought you'd be able to use them with the Pokemon Pocket, and you can't. So, I'm not going to use them. Another brilliant blender. Soft. Do these ones have hollow energies? I think so. Haven't seen one yet, though. Yeah, 151 had plenty of those. Yes. Nothing fancy. Well, stay over there. We're doing this in sequence. So, what have been your favorite pulls that I got so far? Mine's still the Lugia. Got another Archaludon. Gotta love that Lugia. Whoa. That'd be nice to get it in a BGS 10, but that ain't gonna happen. Everything other than the centering looks good on it. Cool. Still recording good? Still holding them up close enough? Let me know. Oh, and be brutally honest, I can take whatever you throw at me. I don't mind some criticisms. Constructive ones are better instead of just insults, but you know, if you want to let off some steam, let off some steam. That's cool. Nope. Double. The twinsies. No, we won't bother with that. Excuse me. Play today. That's a nice one. And a cerulean edge. And toss that in the hard sleeve. Am I still doing good for hard sleeves? Yeah, still. Got 25 over there. Oh, I wonder how much this is going to cost me to do some grading. But I don't think you should open up packs to... And the aim of making money off of it. Have some fun, people. The scalpers are ruining this hobby. Just taking everything. Driving me nuts. Think about all the crying children that don't get any because they have to go to school and they can't afford to buy pallets upon pallets. Yeah, that can use a soft sleeve. And that's why I want to do giveaways, of which I am also doing a Blooming Waters giveaway. I keep saying it, and I'm going to keep saying it until I give it away. So subscribe, like, comment, get a Blooming Waters box. 100 subscribers is all it takes to possibly win one. Oh, and never give... If there is ever any question of whether it is me or not, don't give any information other than where I could ship a box. I won't ask you for email or anything like that. I don't want personal information. I don't want you giving any personal information to any scammers out there that might be trying to be me. I'm not sure exactly how the best way to... I think that's... Well, yeah, I won't be going in the comments to tell you you won. I gotta find another way. I don't know yet. I'm still unfamiliar with the whole YouTube upload process, and I don't even know how to see my subscribers yet. Or who they are, so I gotta figure that out. Let me know if there's an easy way of safely doing that stuff. What are we down here? Just about 2 stacks. Open. Go. An amulet of hope. Take this amulet of hope with you. From me to you. Give it a hard sleeve. Oh, that's the wrong packs. Oopsies. Will not open up Chillin' Rain yet. Maybe that'll be the next one. Chillin' Rain, maybe? Chillin' Rain? I saw that. It was a Terrapagos. Yep, another Terrapagos soft sleep. Put him in soft sleep. Alright, let's fire through these packs a bit quicker here now. Kecleon. Oh, here, sorry. I gotta show the camera. I gotta show you guys the card, sorry. We got a decent hit. Kecleon. That's a nice. Yeah, throw that in the hard, please. It's a beautiful card. It deserves all the protection in the world. And nothing. Ah! My thumbs are getting chafed. First world problems, right? Ooh, a Clobberpuss. SIR. Nice. Bit. Hard, please. Still haven't run into any hollow energies yet. Huh?
Still haven't found a Pikachu.
Still haven't found a Pikachu. Still haven't found a Pikachu. We're gonna keep going until we find Pikachu. And then we're gonna find another one, right? Right? That's what's gonna happen? Another Silver Edge. Whoa! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I just knocked over some chilling rain. Ah, okay, found it. Good. That might have been hard. I'm gonna get rid of all this garbage shit. Checking cameras. Get rid of all that garbage. Just putting in a little pile over there. Yeah. And nothing's. Next deck. 35 down-ish. Many more to go. Miss. Double miss. Esper, miss again. Ah, stop hitting camera, you fool. Why you gotta hit the camera like an idiot? What are you doing? You're terrible at recording. I'll just help you out in the comments, you know. Get things going. There we go. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's with the laughing? Somebody's taking... I see what you're laughing about. That is funny. That is kind of funny. Oh, Pokemon. Simisear and a Tatsugiri EX. Hard case. What? What you reading? What's it say?
You can use this card only if you go to second, and only if during your first turn.
What? That does. I don't understand that. They keep changing the rules on me. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, see something. What is that? What do we got here? Oh, Tatsugiri EX. That was... yeah. That was, a tad hard pounding.
This one's got a surprise pump on it.
Rotom.
Yeah, it's a surprise pump.
Oh, you guys. Off we go. Off we go into an Appleton. Nice. Would you eat them? Be honest. Because apparently, I think they eat them. He looks delicious. tasty apple pie. That's another question. Obviously, they eat Pokemon. It has been canon for a long time. So, what do you think would be your favorite Pokemon to eat? Another beauty card. I'd try Tauros. Tauros sounds like it'd make some good steaks. Yeah. Gotten a few hits.
Where's the hard cases?
Oh, right there. Gotten a few hits. No Pikachu yet, but gotten a few hits. Got a few hits.
Do those get soft or
Hard, all of them. Hard sleeves. I'm gonna run out of hard sleeves before the end of this. I gotta start being selective more. Although it's hard to know exactly what to be selective with. Miss. What do we got? Nothing. Cast form. That's a nice. I'm getting nice hits, man. Lots. Yeah, hard. So far, 151 has definitely been the winner for hits. I can tell you that much. Wonder what set we should do next. I'll save the Twilight Masquerade for a bit. Nice. For a bit later. Beauty. Yeah, like hit after hit. Hard. Soft.
those ones hard?
Yeah. Larvester. Open to me. Your Pokemon. Yeah. Little me could only dream of doing something like this. Jeez, I probably opened like my whole childhood, maybe like 50 packs, who knows. It's not like they were expensive, I was just poor. And in love with chocolate. Yes, that's also true. And Landorus. Oh, that was deadly. Wrong Pikachu. But she's a Pikachu. Hard, definitely. Yep, I keep going for the wrong stacks here. That's one of the Pikachus we need. We got two more. Two more Pikachus we're looking for. Looking for that gold. I like gold. But I haven't seen it yet. And the booty Pikachu. Whoop. That was a bad toss. And Palosand. Hard. Would have been nice to get that Gengar. But it was the wrong one. Fusion Strike let me down a tad. Cofagrigus, however you say that. Terrible one to evolve. And found a Braviary. Nice, nice. Beautiful card. Hard to see. Next pack. Next stack. Keep going. Miss. And a miss. Hope you guys are having a good day out there. It's cold out in Toontown. It is not fun to go outside right now. That's for sure. Stay bundled up. Stay warm. Cold. And slacking. Maybe put that slacking in a soft. Goal. And a miss. Still recording good? Still hearing me okay? Again, let me know if I can improve these videos in any way. I will gladly take the advice. Seen that Skeletor Edge a little too much. Isn't there like other starters or no? That is the starter. I think he's the starter. The fire starter. Oh, a CNA spec. What do we got here? Search Energy Search Pro. Beauty card. Hard. Yeah, you know what? Just put it in the soft. Yeah. And a Hydreigon. Yeah, we're running out of. Just put that in the soft. That one. Yeah. Well, we're running low here, and we still got a lot of packs to go here.
Not looking good.
Nice. That's another one of the Pikachus we're looking for. Sweet.
Oh yeah, he is, eh?
Yeah. Might as well close that door. I might be able to hear him. Oh, sorry. Let me get on camera here. See what I'm opening. Got that Pikachu. Still not the Pikachu. Okay, but it's a good one. Next stack. Let's see here. Let's move them over here. Okay. Again, I'd love to give stuff away, so please subscribe so I can hit 100. Give this Blooming Waters 151. Who knows? Maybe that has God Pack in it. Let me know when I actually do give it away to who I give it to. I'd like for you to open it, but you do whatever you want with it. Let me know if you do open it, what you get. If you get any good hits like me. Oh, yeah, come on. There we go. Nothing. Another cast form. Soft. Nothing good. Code card. Flip. Miss. Hit. Oh yeah. That's a nice card. Another good hit. Another good hit. I love that one.
Turkeys?
Yep. Oh, I will give that one a hard case. Sylveon deserves a hard case. She's adorable. Code gone. Megaton blower. Soft. Oh, the PSA submissions. Animals. Iron Crown. Nothing. How close am I to a full set? Open, I say. And when I say open, you open. Surfer dude.
Hard or soft?
Throw that one in a hard. Go. Miss. Oh, cramping up here. Miss. Miss. Oh. Come on. Open, I says. Hit. Hit. Skull of Villain. Put him in a soft. I don't like that one. I've got a history with hot peppers. Edged it. So many packs left to go, my friends. You think we're halfway there yet?
Yeah.
I don't even know where we're at. Why did I do that? I don't know. I'm losing my mind. Losing my mind, losing my code cards. Losing the battle. I was hit after hit. Oh, it's been a while since I got a hit. Soft sleeve, that one's not that good. Code card. Next stack. 4 to go. 4 stackaroni, 60 packs. What are our chances? What are our chances of looking like a pulling that Pikachu? Come on. My low-tick EX soft. Nothing. Go. Oh, it's been a long day. Took a lot of effort to get this set up. A lot of patience over the years. Not open all my packs. Was thinking of just doing 100 packs, but then I'm like, why not 1,000? And I thought, hey, why not start a YouTube channel? Share my joy with other people. Because I enjoy watching Pokemon opening, Pokemon pack openings. Feebas, that'll get a hard case. Yeah, I enjoy watching the openings of the Pokemon packs. Looking to see what's rare, what's good, what's not. $151 was the one I really got into. Started buying that up whenever I could. Another Pikachu, still not the Pikachu we're looking for. Why is that one so hard to find? Why can't I get my Pikachu on with the booty Pikachu? Missed opportunity. Miss. Come on. I am getting into you whether you like it or not. Whoa. Don't know if I mentioned it in this video, yeah, but subscribe once I hit 100. Giving away Blooming Waters. I've said it a bunch today, so if I said it again, sorry. Everything's melding together into one long day of excitement and disappointment. Was really hoping for that original base set Diamond Tier Pokerev pack. My Dragon EX, nice. Hard. I thinks that one needs a hearts. Another Appleton. Going a soft then. Since I have one of him's. Fire it off, go, go, go. Through the packs we go. As fast as we can, because I don't know how much energy. Well, yeah, battery power in my phone or memory this is taking up, as I am recording in 4K 60 frames. No, that's going to soft since I already got one. I don't know how much longer that's going to take, or how much memory that's going to take up. Nothing's. Next. Stop sticking together. I'm just gonna start, I don't even care about which side I'm grabbing on. Just open them, check them. Scramble switch. Scramble to hit the switch. Fly. A flapper. The flying apple. Oh, come on. Oh, what is the next set will be opened? Is the question I have to ask next. Been at this for hours. Whoa! Sorry, Pikachu. I didn't mean to. Another surfer. Soft sleeve. Getting a stack and a half of both, that's for sure. Another Feebas. No, that can be in a soft. Come on. Oh, you. And nothings. Oh, that stack is wanting to go over. Where'd the other helper go? We lost a man already.
Weak. He's weak.
He has become weak. Fallen off his task. Why you gotta play me like that, brother? Soft, yeah. Soft, sleeve it up. All the garbage is at my feet. Hundreds and hundreds of packs. Open, cracked. Oh, money lost, money gained. Beautiful cards obtained. Either way. Come on. Come on. Come on, Pikachu. Where are you? Hey there, Pikachu. Where are you? That's not a Pikachu. Off it goes into the pile of junk. Lost forever, never to be seen again. Possibly recycled. Miracle headset, soft. Soft, sleeve it up. Open to me your Pikachu, please. Losing hope on this one. Down to the last couple of stacks. Not looking good, my friends. But I gotta be the very best that no one ever was. Come on. Where's being the very best? There's a flamingo. That's just a straight up flamingo. Soft, yeah. Oh, that one whipped weird. He returns. Why you leave me? Your task has been slacking. Oh, I have coffee here too. I will definitely need a sip of that after this.
Keep smoking.
No one could have done the task.
Another Appleton. Soft.
I heard it one already.
Yeah.
Because he's unique.
Apple pie. Sweeter than an apple pie. My thumb's starting to work through here. Lisa's appeal. That's not the Lisa's appeal we want. But I'll take it. Since I don't have it. Just a soft. We're looking for a different Lisa's appeal. Nothing. Nothing. What have I done? So many many cards. So little Pikachu. Why must he be so elusive? Why must Pikachu hide from me? I would treat him nice. Put him in a hard case. Stash him away forever. Remember this?
To the highest bidder.
Or that. Soft. Card gone. I'm losing my gumption. I'm losing it. No Pikachu there. Nope. Pikachu, are you in here? Can I please find you? I would sure like to see you again. I don't think my chances are very good here, friends. I don't think it's looking good. We're running out of packs.
You get my Ditto, you're not gonna get your Pikachu.
I'm not gonna get my Pikachu. I got the gold Pikachu, that's bonus. That's a good one still to have. That's a shrimp. Nope, that's a sandcastle. I thought it was the shrimp. Not looking good.
He's gonna have like 20 hours worth of sorting.
Oh yeah, it's gonna take a while to get through this. Sort all this properly. My thumbs are getting sore, seriously. I was joking before, but now it is. Pikachu's still napping away. Give Pikachu a squish for luck. Come on. Come on, Pikachu. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry.
Curse.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Pikachu,
Sorry, Pikachu. Yeah. That was the last hit I'll ever get out of
He might
this.
smile at you, but he's angry on the inside.
He has cursed the last few packs. I did not treat him properly. If you guys, come on. Soft.
3 of them, no?
Yeah. I think that's 4 of them.
Not
3. Yeah, that's not looking good, seeing all those Feebas. That means my chances at Pikachu slimmed down greatly. Oh, what have I done? I could have sold the booster box.
Well, it's going down by the pack.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Down to our last 4 packs, everyone. Down to the last 4. 1 of each. Stop hitting the camera, you dirt. No. This was definitely a lot more disappointed than the 151. Only a few hits out of this set. What are my chances at a little last pack magic? Can I get a little last pack Pikachu magic, please? I would be ever so grateful. You. That is not what I want to see. Well, oh well. Oh, yeah, here. Code. Another one bites the dust. I got the beautiful gold Pikachu though. 3 gold star. Beautiful card. Few hits right on. Thanks for joining me. Have yourself a good one. See you in the next episode. Like, subscribe, comment. What's your favorite set so far? What are you excited to see? Let me know. Thanks.